stressed and confused about the SAT exam? Well, don't worry. Here you can check out these courses to help you ace this important test. First, go the traditional route and pick up the best known SAT prep books. Barron, the Princeton Review and College Board are perfect for this. Second, or you can prepare for the exam on a budget by using free online resources. Khan Academy, Magoosh and Prep Scholar are amazing. Third, supplement your learning with additional daily practice. Download mobile apps like Ready for SAT and SAT Pocket Prep to help you do this. Fourth, find vocabulary lists and convert them into flashcards. You can even ask your mom to help you practice those long, complicated words every day. And finally, practice, practice, practice. Take as many full-length practice tests as you possibly can. And remember to time yourself. And now you're ready. Follow these tips to get that perfect score.